Okay, Team Labs, kumusta kayo dyan? Ang video natin ngayon,
Magpapa-passport photo tayo sa Officeworks. Are you ready? Oh, kaya pala
na formal kami ngayon kasi alam mo naman, kailangan formal daw, pati din siya. Oh, para kang si Lenny.
For president ba?
Okay, so intro mo na.
Why won't you get back to me? Talking shit because you never really owned me. Opened up to you, but then you shut the door on me.
Okay, so let's go.
Yes, Team Labs. Punta na kami ng Officeworks. Okay. Mr. Labata. Saan ang job interview natin ngayon?
Ewan.
Sa Officeworks siguro yung job interview na.
Okay, Team Labs, nandito na kami sa parking sa Officeworks. Nandito na kami sa lift. Labs, nasa loob na kami. Okay, Team Labs, ito palang Officeworks ay para siyang national bookstore kung sa Pinas. Na kung naghahanap ka ng mga school supplies, office supplies, then punta ka sa Officeworks. Pareho yung concept niya, national bookstore, ito ang Officeworks. So yun, pumunta kami doon at pakuha kami ng passport photo. Okay, so back to the video.
So, Team Labs, tapos na kami sa Officeworks. Passport photo done. Pangit-pangit ko sa photo. Ang taba ng mukha. Well, it is what it is. Tapos bumili ako ng organizer. And then, unfortunately, wala yung SD card na 64 gig. So, kami nakabili. That's it. And then, gutom na kami. So, we look for food. Something to eat.
Okay, Team Labs, nandito lang kami sa McDonald's. Thank you. Yeah, and we have our order now. And we're on our way home now.
Kain na ako ng fries, mga kalabs.
Yeah.
Oh, gutom na gutom. Oops. Careful. So mga kalabs, galing kaming Officeworks para magpa-picture ng passport photo for our application ng citizenship. So, that's what we did. And then bumili din kami ng box para lang pang-organize sa mga office stuff ko. Then, bibili sana kami ng SD card, kaya lang walang 64 gig na size. So, yun lang. And then, at least, open yung Officeworks West Ride na branch for in-store shopping. Kasi yung Auburn na Officeworks is only open for click and collect. Hindi siya pwedeng in-store shopping. So, kaya dumayo kami dito sa West Ride to go to Officeworks. And now, pauwi na kami. Nag-drive-thru lang kami sa McDonald's kasi nagutom kami. And yeah, we're on our way home. Hello, Team Love! So today, nakatanggap ako ng parcel, ng package. So, it's a, ta-da! It's a diaper bag. So, this was gifted to me by my good friend at work, Wayna. Thank you so much, Wayna! So, this is a diaper bag for baby. Yes, so it's from Mimco. So, it's got a lot of pockets, which is very good. Inside, it has compartments for the baby bottles, diapers, and then it also has a bag here, a transparent bag. And what's best is it comes with a changing pad. I don't know how it's called, but it's used for diaper change ni baby, diba? So it's very functional and practical, and I love the color. It's subtle. Ang tawag ito, parang lilac, or yeah, but it's very subtle, parang almost gray. So thank you so much, Rina. I love it. So you can put stuff here at the sides too, and it has two ways to carry. You have a long strap here. You also have this one. So Daddy John, you can also carry this one, and we can put this below at the compartment of, I don't know how it's called, the stroller. Yes. So yes, what a surprise for today. Thank you again, Wayna, for this diaper bag. So we're ready for baby. In February, we've got a diaper bag.
Okay, Team Loves, patapos na yung video namin. Kung nagustuhan nyo itong video namin, pakihit ng like, then pakihit yung notification bell para at least ma-notify kayo sa mga latest video namin. Kung nagustuhan nyo pa, pakihit ng subscribe. Okay, salamat Team Loves, and we will see you tomorrow!